In this video, we're going to build a complete four-way traffic light control system using PLC programming. We will cover everything from the ladder logic all the way to a working SCADA interface that you can interact with on your screen. Here is how this series is structured. In part 1, we will write the ladder logic program in TIA Portal. This is the brain of our traffic light system. In part 2, we will build the SCADA interface you are looking at right now using WinCC Explorer, so you can visualize and interact with the system in real time. Before we dive in, let us quickly go over what you will need to follow along. On the knowledge side, you should be comfortable with the basic concepts of ladder logic programming, and you should have used TIA Portal at least a few times before. But if you're completely new to either one, don't worry. I'll explain everything step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way, so you can follow along and build your understanding as we go. On the software side, you will need three things. First is TIA Portal. This is our main programming environment. Second, PLC Sim. Since we are not connecting to a real physical PLC, PLC Sim lets us simulate our project entirely in software. And here is something worth knowing. If you already have a paid, fully licensed version of TIA Portal, PLC Sim is actually included for free, so check your license before downloading anything extra. Third is WinCC Explore. This is what we will use to build the SCADA interface. Now, if you do not have WinCC Explore, do not worry. TIA Portal also includes a built-in WinCC version that works perfectly for this project. All right. Let us take a look at what we expect to build by the end of this series. As you can see on the screen, this is our completed four-way traffic light control system, a simulated intersection with 4 traffic lights, one controlling each direction of traffic. Here's how it works. Vehicles traveling from north to south are controlled by the northern traffic light. Vehicles traveling from south to north are controlled by the southern traffic light. Vehicles traveling from east to west are controlled by the eastern traffic light. And vehicles traveling from west to east are controlled by the western traffic light. The traffic lights follow the standard sequence you're already familiar with. Green means go. Red means stop. Yellow has 2 purposes. It warns moving vehicles that the light is about to turn red, and it alerts stopped vehicles that the light is about to turn green. Now, let me walk you through the control sequence we'll be programming. Understanding this sequence will make the PLC logic much easier to follow. Stage 1. The northern and southern traffic lights turn green, allowing vehicles traveling in those directions to move. At the same time, the eastern and western traffic lights remain red, so those vehicles stay stopped. Stage 2. After the green light has been on for the programmed amount of time, all 4 traffic lights change to yellow simultaneously. It gives vehicles already in the intersection enough time to clear safely, while warning everyone that the traffic lights are about to change. Stage 3. After the yellow interval, the northern and southern traffic lights turn red, and the eastern and western traffic lights turn green. Traffic can now flow in the east-west direction, while the north-south traffic remains stopped. Stage 4. Once the east-west green time has elapsed, all 4 traffic lights turn yellow again for a few seconds. When that interval ends, the cycle returns to stage 1 and repeats continuously. You can watch the entire sequence playing out on the screen right now. 4 stages, repeating continuously to control traffic from all 4 directions. By the end of this series, you'll understand exactly how to build this system from scratch. And, more importantly, why each part of the ladder logic works. But that's only part of what you'll learn. We'll also build a professional SCADA interface from the ground up. Along the way, you'll learn how to implement user login and user administration, create live trend displays, design reusable faceplates, and build an admin page where users can be managed and useful applications can be launched directly from the runtime. So this isn't just a traffic light project, it's a complete PLC and SCADA project, packed with practical techniques you'll be able to apply to your own industrial automation projects. In the next video, we'll start writing the PLC program in TIA Portal, one rung at a time. Don't worry if you've never built a project like this before. We'll take it step by step until everything comes together. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing so you don't miss the rest of the series. The next video is already waiting for you on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.